Good afternoon, Miss Monica.
Yeah, good afternoon, Miss.
Okay, so now we will start teacher evaluation and we start from subject science first.
Okay, yeah. Number one, a light ray hits a mirror at an angle of incidence of 30 degrees. Which statement best describe the reflected ray? It is D. It reflects on the opposite side with 30-degree angle. In the diagram showing a torch shining on a book and an eye, how do we see the non-luminous book? So the light from the torch reflects off the book into eyes. Number three, two photos compare reflection on the water, one sharp on smooth water and one blur on wavy water. Which statement best explains the difference? It is C. Smooth water causes regular reflection of rays.
Okay, Miss, number four, Miss.
Which statement best describes the image formed by a plane mirror? It is B. Same size as object, upright virtual image. 5. A student stands 60 meters in front of a plane mirror. Where will the image appear relative to the mirror surface? It will be C. 60 centimeters behind the mirror surface. The word ambulance appears reversed in a mirror so the drivers can read it in their rear view mirrors. What is this effect called? Lateral inversion of the image. D. 7. Which statement best defines reflection of light? It is D. Bending when light changes medium. Ray travels from air into glass at an angle. What happens to its direction and why? So, first. Okay, it bends toward the normal because speed decreases A. 9. A green filter is placed in front of white light. Which statement best describe what happens to the light that passes through? It's only green light is transmitted through the filter. D. 10. Which pair of color lights combines to produce yellow light on the screen? It's red light and green light combined. Yeah, red and green. Another beam of Another beam of light hits a plane mirror so that incident ray makes a 30-degree angle with the normal. Predict the angle of the reflected ray with the normal in its plane using the law of reflection. So as the law of reflection that wait, based on the law of the reflection, okay, the angle of the reflected ray will be same with the angle of the incident. So if the incident ray makes a 30 degrees angle with the normal, so the reflected ray with the normal as well 30 degrees. So they will travel in the same side.
Okay, Miss.
Number 2, two students shine a torch onto a book and observe it from the side as a diagram. Explain how the book is visible. So the book is visible because the light from the torch is reflected from its surface. So the light travels from the torch onto the book and it reflects so it can reach the student's eyes. Um, even though it cannot, how to say that, even though it cannot reflect its light itself. Number 3, a student stands 60 meter in front of a plane mirror. Describe the image from this. So it is a virtual, upright and laterally inverted. So if the students stands around 60 meters in front of a plane mirror, so it will be around 60 centimeter behind the plane mirror. So this describe the rule of reflection, where the distance of the image should be equal to the distance of the object.
Okay, Miss.
Using the terms incident ray, reflected ray, normal angle of incidence, explain how you would verify the law of reflection. To verify the law of reflection, we direct the incident ray and measure the incidence. Also, we measure the angle of incidence, and also we measure the angle of reflection. So we compare both of them. If it is same, Yeah, if it is equal or it is same, it support the rule of the reflection. On a sunny day, red car, glass of milk, green leaf are illuminated by white light. Explain why the car looks red and the milk looks white and the leaf looks green. So the red car reflects the red color while absorbing the other colors. It appears red, while the milk it reflects all colors and it appears white. While a green leaf, it reflects the green color while absorbing other colors, providing the green color.
How about the black things, Miss? For example, these things.
Miss cannot be outside, Miss. Must
Yeah,
be
Miss.
following the homework.
Oh,
Yes. Okay. Next. Number 1, what are the coordinates of the midpoint of the segment joining A minus 3 and 4, D 4 and 4? So, the midpoint. So, we will divide. Yeah. Okay, so an example like x1 plus y1 per 2, x2 plus y2 per 2. So, it will be minus 3 plus 4 per 2 and 4 plus 4 per 2. So it will be, x1 minus 3. Minus 3 plus 4. So 1 per, is it? Oh yeah, so it will be D, 0.5 and 4 because 8 per 2 is 4. So the answer is D. Okay, find the coordinates of the midpoint of the line segment with n points, A 2.5, B 8.7. So it will be, I just make it fast. It will be A 5 and 6.
number 4, Miss?
4 directly? Without 3?
Yeah,
Okay.
3.
Point A, 5 and 4 is translated by factor 7 over 1. So it will be 12 and 5. Number 5, a point moves from 2.1 to 5.4. It will be A, 3.3. Triangle PQR has vertices 1.2, 3.5, and 2.1. Translate by factor 4 point minus 2. It will be 7 and 3. P 2.5 is reflected across the line x equals minus 1. It will be x minus 1.
Hot question number 1,
Minus,
Miss?
huh?
Hot question number 1.
Okay, directly hot ya. Okay, wait a minute. A line segment has n points, 2.A 2.5 and B 8.7. Show how to calculate the midpoint of AB and state its coordinates. So it will be following the rules 2 plus 8 per 2. So 10 per 2, 5, 12 per 2, 6. So it will be 5.6, Miss. Point P has coordinates 3.13 and point Q has coordinate 5.19. Find the midpoint of PQ. Show your work. So it will be A per 2, 4 point, first. 3, 2. Point P has coordinate and point Q has coordinate. Find the midpoint PQ. Kita menetapkan 4, 3, 2. 4 and 16, Miss.
4 and
16.
okay, Miss, next, Miss.
Number 3.
Yeah.
Point P has coordinate minus 3 and 6. Without graphing, find the coordinates of each after reflection across the line y equals x. So following the rule of the reflection y equals x, so we just change the position, we just swap them, so it will be 6 and minus 3.
6 and minus
For A 4.6b. Okay, so describe the rule that maps any point x point Y. The rule maps any point X, point Y to its image across Y equals X. It will be 6.4 minus 6 and 5, 8 and minus 2. So A xn is 6 and 4, B xn is minus 6 and 5, C xn is 8 and minus 2. We just swap them. A triangle has vertices 5.1, 7.5, C 3.5. Rotate triangle ABC 90 degrees clockwise about the origin 0.0. So it follows the rule that if it is clockwise, it will be Y minus X. So from here we can see that A xn will be Y equals minus X. 1 point minus 5, B 5 point minus 7, B xn 5 point minus 7, C xn will be 5 point minus 3.
Okay, Miss. Now it will be mathematica, Miss.
Yes?
Matematika.
No, it's not my part.
So, IPA?
IPA.
Okay, Miss.
Nomor 1, tujuan utama dekantasi dalam pemisahan campuran adalah memisahkan cairan dari endapan lebih rapat. C. Dalam praktikum membuat pasta pandan, endapan pandan berada di dasar karena massa jenis endapan lebih besar dari air. Langkah yang menunjukkan proses, jadi jawabannya D. Langkah yang menunjukkan proses dekantasi pada pembuatan pasta pandan. Menuang pelan cairan tanpa mengganggu endapan. C. 4. Pernyataan benar tentang filtrasi. Memisahkan partikel padat tidak larut dari cairan. B. 5. Pada percobaan pemisahan air dan pasir, fungsi kertas saring adalah menahan butiran pasir agar tidak ikut lolos. Nomor 6. Metode terbaik untuk memisahkan serbuk besi dari campuran pasir adalah apa? A. Pemisahan magnetis menggunakan magnet. 7.
So, what's Miss?
Hots ya. So hurry. Oke, nomor 1. Sebuah campuran dibuat dengan memblender daun pandan dengan air lalu didiamkan 3 hari. Oke, jadi metode yang digunakan untuk ini adalah metode dekantasi. Jadi campuran itu didiamkan sekitar 3 hari. Kemudian cairan tersebut yang berada di posisi atas itu akan dipisahkan tanpa mengganggu endapan. Nomor 2. Ketika menyaring campuran air dan pasir menggunakan corong serta kertas saring, hasil dicorong berupa padatan tertahan dan cairan menetes ke gelas beaker. Istilah masing-masing bagian. Oke, jadi padatan tertahan ini disebut dengan apa ya? Padatan tertahan. Tunggu. Ntar ini aku ingat dulu ya. Padatan tertahan. Oke, padatan tertahan itu bisa disebut dengan larutan, sedangkan cairan itu disebut sebagai filtrat. Pencorong. Ketika menyaring campuran air dan pasir menggunakan corong serta kertas saring. Ya, jadi keduanya ini harus dipisah, ya. Oke, jadi keduanya ini harus dipisah dengan menggunakan saringan, yaitu kertas saring. Nah, dari sini kita tahu bahwa padatan ini massanya itu lebih besar, sehingga ketika kita menggunakan kertas saring, jadi padatan ini akan tertahan di atas dan tidak akan melewati kertas saring tersebut karena massa dari padatan tersebut itu lebih besar partikelnya daripada air. Nomor 3. Laboratorium tersedia 2 campuran air lumpur yang telah mengendap air tepung. Oke, air dan lumpur ini bisa kita gunakan metode dekantasi, di mana dekantasi ini merupakan pemisahan cairan dari endapan. Jadi antara air dan lumpur ini akan diendapkan dulu. Nah, jadi lumpur yang mengendap itu nanti akan berada di bawah. Ini akan dipisah dari air. Jadi air itu akan dituang gitu. Jadi itu menggunakan metode dekantasi. Sedangkan air dan tepung itu menggunakan filtrasi. Di mana nanti tepung itu kan masih ada di atas mis yang halusnya itu. Jadi itu harus seperti diayak atau disaring gitu. Jadi yang kedua itu menggunakan filtrasi. Nomor 4, sebuah campuran terdiri dari serbuk besi, pasir, dan belerang. Langkah-langkahnya adalah, jadi serbuk besi ini dia mengandung magnet, makanya dia bisa digunakan. Makanya metode yang digunakan itu pertama adalah magnetis, di mana kita akan menarik serbuk besi dari campuran. Kemudian pasir dan belerang tersebut akan dilarutkan dengan air, ya, di mana belerang ini larut dengan air sementara pasir tidak. Jadi belerang ini bisa dipisah nanti dengan pasir setelah kita larutkan dengan air gitu untuk memisahkannya. Jadi menggunakan filtrasi nanti, Miss. Pertama menggunakan magnetis, metode magnetis menarik serbuk besi, kedua nanti menggunakan filtrasi, memisahkan pasir dan belerang. Nomor 5, jelaskan prinsip kerja kromatografi kertas dalam memisahkan pewarna makanan pada percobaan sederhana, fase diam dan fase gerak. Jadi dalam ini fase diam itu adalah kertas dan fase gerak itu adalah air. Jadi perbedaan kelarutan afinitas. Jadi afinitas yang tinggi akan mempengaruhi jarak dari warna tersebut. Ya, jadi kalau afinitasnya tinggi itu akan membuat distance atau arah dari warna tersebut semakin jauh, begitu, Miss.
Baik, Miss. Terima kasih untuk penjelasan IPA. Now we turn to book, Miss. We turn to book. Please explain about dispersion of white light, Miss.
Okay, so this week we will learn about dispersion of white light. Okay, so there is about spectrum of light we call. Make it bigger, Miss. Okay, so spectrum of light is the light that makes up the white light into different colors. So the different colors is like red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Yeah, so the spectrum of light has a function to make up the white light. Nah, so later, so this one the how to say that, the colors, Miss. So from here we see that the violet color is most balanced than the red color. So it will pass the prism that we call. For example, these all colors, all of them together will pass through the prism. Now, after all these colors pass through the prism, so we can see that the violet color will bend most than the red colors, like that.
Most than red color.
Yeah, than red colors.
Okay, Miss.
Okay. Okay, and then it will be how to say that? How to say that? Yeah. Okay, so this actually we can see in a rainbow. It is actually not only how to say that. It is actually white light, the rainbow, but because the colors pass through the prism, so it reflects many colors. But the original color actually the white color. Now, and here we will learn about what is it? Yeah. Wait, first, Miss. Not this one. Can I show that one, Miss?
Yeah.
The good color. Wait, yeah, I show you. This, miss. Nah, this one, miss, actually. Okay, this is similar to this one, miss. Yeah, this one. So here there are some colors. Actually, the original color is blue, red, and green, miss. The primary original color. But when red mix with green, it will produce the yellow color. Yeah, when red mix with the green, it will produce the yellow color. And when what
Red,
color is this?
miss.
Yeah,
Indigo, miss.
no.
Violet.
When the blue color mix with the green, it will produce the we call as the cyan. Yeah. When blue with green, it will produce this one cyan color. And when three of these blue, red, and green mix, they will produce the white color. We will learn about this also later, miss.
Okay.
So this is like mixing the color also. It is related about the light also later.
So it means this is different with prime color, like in when I learn about prime color is yellow, red, and blue.
No, this is the book actually they put it.
Mm,
Wait, yeah. The prime color
So
this
in
one
optic?
is
okay, miss. So in
this.
optic,
Yeah. Wait, yeah. It shows. Yellow is not the prime color, miss.
okay,
Where
miss.
is it? Yeah. Wait, yeah. I need to show you actually. This is in the book.
Yeah, because that's what I learned in art and in art, like seni budaya, we learn that a yellow, green, and blue is the prime color when we try to coloring something.
But the book shows
Okay, miss.
three of these are the primary color.
Okay, miss.
But
Thank
I
you for
want
your
to show.
explanation.
Okay, then later I will show you.
Okay, thank you,
Okay.
miss.
Right.
I think that's all for book, and now we turn to
Vocabulary.
vocabulary list. Okay, miss, vocabulary list. IPA, gelas beker.
Gelas beaker adalah gelas lab yang biasa digunakan untuk gelas beaker. Tunggu, miss. Gelas lab yang biasa digunakan untuk campuran, untuk larutan campuran. Jadi gelas beaker ini gelas beaker ini merupakan lupa ya, gelas beaker digunakan untuk tunggu ya, miss. Gelas beaker. Oke, gelas beaker ini lebih mudah digunakan untuk gelas beaker ini lebih mudah digunakan untuk melarutkan suatu campuran karena karena gelas beaker ini lebih tahan panas dan tidak mudah pecah.
Miss, bubuk sulfur, miss.
Bubuk sulfur adalah bubuk kuning yang terbuat dari sulfur dan digunakan untuk obat dan pupuk. Jadi bubuk sulfur ini mudah bereaksi dengan oksigen dan menghasilkan gas SO2 yang sangat tajam baunya.
Nikel?
Sangat berbau tajam.
Nikel.
Nikel adalah logam perak yang keras dan logam perak yang keras dan apa ya? Oke, nikelnya adalah logam perak yang keras dan tahan karat, di mana nikel ini merupakan di mana nikel ini tahan korosi sehingga ideal untuk digunakan melapisi logam dan biasanya digunakan untuk baterai, koin dan juga melapisi logam.
Tambak garam?
Tambak garam adalah tempat pembuatan garam dari air laut. Jadi air laut nanti akan diuapkan dengan bantuan sinar matahari, kemudian membentuk kristal garam. Ini sangat hemat terutama di daerah yang kering.
Kondensator Liebig.
Kondensator Liebig itu adalah mengubah uap menjadi cair, di mana ketika mengubah uap ini akan menggunakan yang namanya air yang membentuk distilat.
Distilat?
Distilat adalah hasil dari proses distilasi. Jadi hasil proses distilasi ini berupa air murni karena tidak semua zat atau partikel dapat didekantasi. Dan ini biasa digunakan untuk eksperimen juga.
Chemistry, science. Reflection of light.
Reflection
Of light.
of light. Is it the first? The first, yeah. Reflection
Yes.
of light. When the light reflects off its surface. So bounces off its surface. So reflection of light. Reflection of light. So reflection of light is the light that reflects that bounces off its surface to change the direction.
Incident?
So,
Incident ray?
okay, already.
Yeah.
Incident ray is the light ray that strikes off a surface. So incident ray is the light that hits the surface. So it helps us to see whether the light bends or reflect.
Scatter. Reflection.
Scatter of reflection is the light that reflects toward in many direction. So scatter of light is the light that reflects to any direction and produce no clear image.
Immersed.
Immerse is submerged in any liquid. So immerse happens when an object or something put in the liquid or in the water.
So, it's a spectrum of white light.
Huh?
Spectrum of
Spectrum of light is a light that make up the white light. So spectrum of light, spectrum of light is a light that make up white light into many colors like red, orange, yellow, blue, orange, red, orange, yellow, blue, red, orange, yellow, okay, if I'm not mistaken, blue, dark, indigo, and violet. Okay.
One more is green.
Sorry. Green, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Color filters.
Huh?
Color filters.
Color filters. Color filters. Wait first. Color filters, yeah. I think I missed that point.
Okay, Miss. I think that's all. So, color filters is paper or glass that allows only certain color through. Okay, Miss. Thank you for your explanation.
So many